Hi, thank you for watching this video. MRDC would like to present you the Resolve, and today I will show you what Resolve is and how to put your survey data at anyone's fingertips. Why Resolve and what does Resolve do? And I will also show you on how to do the system. Resolve is a free software tool for exploring data that allows research executive and clients to explore survey data by producing tables and charts. It will also allows you to filter tables, filter reports, and filter variables. So why do you need Resolve? Resolve is easy to use and the projects can be made available as soon as the data is being collected. Resolve allows you to distribute projects for analysis to colleagues and clients so that you can fully explore your data. Resolve allows you to find insight within your data and produce reports and summary. Resolve is easy to use and supported by other videos. Resolve also can upgrade you to a premium version at a low cost that include PowerPoint automation and complex analysis. Now what does Resolve do? Resolve is a free downloadable tool. Resolve is ready to distribute for project analyze in MRDCL and QPSMR. Resolve uses a database produced by MRDCL or QPSMR so that you can produce fully labeled tables and charts in just a second. Resolve is inexpensive to prepare for your projects in SPSS and SSS formats easily. Now I will do the demo on producing a simple crosstabs, show the result as that text table in Excel, and show chart in Excel. I will also show you how to create and open projects, creating and editing and organizing variables, creating and editing filters, and creating and saving reports. Now we can start to go through its functionality. Now in this first part of the video, I would like to show you how easy it is to create in your project in Resolve. It will be easier to create or open an old project from inside Resolve. Now, if this is your first time creating a project, you should create a new project first or make use your old project file. Now, from opening your old project file, go to the File menu and click on Open Old Project button. Click on the project that you save and click Open button. And you will be asked for a QRF file. Just click your QRF file and click Open button, and it will open you all the data in Resolve file. Now I will show you how to create reports and the different types of reports that you can do in Resolve. Now to create reports, go to the Report menu, click on the Create Reports button, and as you can see, there are different types of reports in the dialog box. The Quick Reports, which fully utilizes all the features in creating reports from the use of the title footnotes, where you can also add your columns, rows, filters, and formatting options. The Rapid Result make use of the rows and columns as well as the filters, while the top line counts make use of a role as the source of its data. Top line counts, Rapid Result, and Quick Reports can create tables and as well as create charts. On this drop-down box, you can choose from the different predefined chart types, and you can format chart by clicking Format Chart button and editing the different properties from the chart formats. Now, I will show you more about producing tables in a moment and showing this data in a chart. Now, let's first create the top line counts. You can type your row data or row source in this side box, or you can click on the row button and it will present you the different variables that are available to use as the row source of data. Now, clicking OK Run Tables will ask you if you want to save the table definition, and by clicking Yes button, just save the file name. Now, clicking Save on this will present you on your first table text file definition for your top line counts. Now, let's move on to the Rapid Result. Now, if you want a crosstab, this is the best starting feature. When choosing rows, columns, and filters, it will be good to stress that you can either type on this box or you can also choose under selection from menu on this box or this button. Let's click Q2, and you can add more columns and rows by separating values with this comma. Now let's add filter. Adding filter from the grade reports table doesn't need a filter name, so let's just set aside a filter name. Just click on the insert button and click on the variable and get the responses from the responses. Now clicking OK button, it will be listed you on the filter box. Now if you want to add another definition, you can type it in the by captivating or adding a simple dot or clause that signify an N or equator and then type in your desired variable, which is volume, and you can see the different definition of each of your filters. Then click OK Run Tables again, and your tables for your rapid result will be uploaded. And this is going to be your first table text file for your rapid result that we created. And now going back to your table creating window, you can just cancel it if you want, or you can change or add chart format. Let's create chart. If you want to add chart, you need to choose from the chart and chart types. So let's say it's stack column. And then let's format the chart. The font name, for example, is Vivaldi. Font color, of course, black. Fill color, orange. Let's try orange. And then let's click OK Run Tables. Clicking OK Run Tables, it will produce you another set of quick files. Just save it and click OK button. So chart 1, save it. By loading your text file, the table from the text file, it will add a new file, an XLX file from your folder. So the tables in charts, the XLX, it will hold the tables as well as the charts that were generated if you want to open. This is going to be the table that we created, the chart that we created earlier, the table and the chart, table for the Q2 questions, the table in the chart that we created, and this is the sample table as well for the Q3. Let's create another text or another chart type. So let's try 100% stock line, and then OK Run Tables. Save the other definition. Click Save. Now let's check the other chart that we created. So this is going to be the chart that we created. The second chart, a table in the chart for the Q1, for the Q2 chart and table. And this is going to be the example of the chart that we created for that. Now closing this button, it has generated a series of quick files. So let's try closing the project and going back to the folder of the quick file. So this is going to be the folder. So you can open this folder as outside your resolve file. And that will be all from the report generated from resolve. Now I would like to show you how to create, edit, and organize variable in resolve. A variable created in resolve allows you to combine data from one or more questions or other variables in a way you want for analysis. Now to create your variables, go to the variable menu, click on create variable button, and enter your desired variable name. Select your preferred data type, let's say it's single code only, and enter your variable text. Click on responses button. You can choose insert response button or block insert response button. And on clicking insert response button, just click insert button below. And on this field, you can choose on the list of variables, and there is also types of entries to use: one, response, range, and blank. Now click all the entries. Clicking OK will insert all the responses from that variables on your list. And clicking OK button again to save it, and you can see the responses counted already here. Now click on OK button to save the variables. The save variables, it will be listed on the bottom of the list. Now to be able to edit your variable, click on your variable, then go to the variable menu. Click on variable menu and click on edit variables. Now to be able to organize your variables, you can reorder your variables. You can just drag and drop it from where you want it, and it will automatically be reordered. Now if you want your variable to be added on your favorite list, just double click on it and you will be asked if you want to mark it as favorite. And click yes button and it will be marked as your favorite. Now if you want to group your variables, you just put check on each variables that you want to be grouped. Then go to the variable menu. Select organize variable and click group. And you will be asked for a group name. Click OK button to save it. And to be able to view it in a group, go to the variable menu, click organize variables, and view by group. And you can easily see each other for all variables that are ungroups. It will be listed above, and for groups, it will be listed in the ungrouped variables. And if you want to change or revert back to the original organization of the variables, click on variable again, click on organize variable, and view and group. And the next time that you open the project, the new arrangement will be available. Resolve has a premium version that is also available for a low fee so that the complex or repetitive tables can be produced quickly without expert knowledge. The premium edition also allows you to automate reports in Excel and PowerPoint. Now, give researchers increased power with Resolve Premium. Do you need the upgrade to Resolve Premium? The Resolve-based software provides you with all the tools that you need to build your own variables, to produce cross-tabulation and generate basic charts. So what does the Premium edition of Resolve offer? Resolve Premium access to 20 free add-ins that can make complex or repetitive tasks easy. Resolve Premium has ability to build your own custom add-ins, has automation of charts and table in Excel and PowerPoint and Google products. It has spreadsheets showing profiles of key data and is ideal for complex or repetitive needs and automation, and would prefer them or refer them as power users. And lastly, the premium is inexpensive and with a very low fee. Now, if you wanted to know more about Resolve Base and Resolve Premium, please email me at nikki.sunga@mrdcsoftware.com. Thank you.